I bet you didn't know that a high school student from Kazakhstan is revolutionizing mobility for the visually impaired. Meet Leonid Naprasny, a student from school number 19 in Kostanay, Kazakhstan. Along with his computer science teachers, he created a groundbreaking smart cap designed to help visually impaired individuals navigate their surroundings safely. This isn't just any cap. Equipped with cameras and sensors, it scans the environment and uses artificial intelligence to provide real-time voice prompts. Imagine being alerted to obstacles or changes in elevation, all through a stylish and modern cap. But there's more. This smart cap can also connect to a smartphone, offering GPS navigation and updates on current events or weather. Freedom of movement is now within reach for many who find it challenging to leave their homes. Leonid and his team are not stopping here. They aim to inspire more innovations and make these solutions affordable for everyone. Plans are already underway to collaborate with organizations for mass production. So next time you think of innovation, remember Leonid and his smart cap, changing lives one step at a time.